I'm sure you have heard about 6:30 से पहले dinner कर लो. Yes, I also came across this statement. Many people tell me it is best to complete your dinner before 6:30. But एक question मेरे मन में आता है. How come it is possible? I work till 9:30. I reach home by 10 o'clock. My family, they wait for me to have dinner together. तो ये कैसे possible है to have dinner by 6:30? Well, this is not possible at all. Yes, I also used to think the same way. Then I started searching why people say that it is good or it is healthy to have dinner by 6:30 or before the sunset. It may be unhealthy, but it is possible to follow this. Yes, it is possible. The world stays awake at night. So having dinner before sunset is almost impossible. But one question will come in your mind. Well, the world stays awake the entire night. So my dear friend, in this video, I will tell you what you can do if you reach home late, if you have your dinner with your family after 10 p.m. So following the tips which I will share with you today will not only help you to enjoy your dinner with your family, it will also help you to digest that food properly. चलिए start करते हैं. According to Ayurveda, our digestion is almost dependent on the sun. When the sun is high up in the sky, our digestive fire is fully active. As the sun goes down after dusk, our digestive fire also slows down. So, whenever we eat post sunset, doesn't get digested properly. Instead, it rots inside within our system and toxins gets generated. Those who eat late at night complains of indigestion, gas, bloating, disturbed sleep. Also, 95% of chronic diseases start with the stomach. But what can we do? Think about students who studies late at night and after their studies they have their dinner. Think about call center employees who worked the entire night and they don't have a schedule of their dinner. IT professionals, they reach home late at night. But wait, don't worry. Ayurveda has a solution for all of us. If you are eating dinner late at night, Ayurveda can help you now. Number 1. The secret combination of rock salt and ginger. If you are having your dinner very late at night, before dinner, take a small pinch of ginger and rock salt and have it. The combination of rock salt and ginger is known to ignite the digestive fire. What will happen? This will instantly lead to secretion of digestive juice, and as a result, you will be able to digest the food late at night also. Number 2. Right nostril breathing. Yes, practicing this ancient yogic breathing technique just for 2 minutes will ignite your digestive fire in a big way. This is known as the Surya Vedi pranayama. So what you have to do here, close your left nostril with your ring finger and breathe with your right. Hold for few seconds and inhale through your left. अगर ये आप 9 बार करते हो ना, just 9 times, आपका जो digestive fire है ये active हो जाएगा and you will be able to enjoy your dinner and you will be able to digest that also. Now your digestive fire is active. आप बैठ गए खाने के लिए. But remember one important thing. खाने के time just avoid distractions. Yes, no mobiles, no laptops, no working, no side hustle, nothing. Just focus on your food so that you get the maximum benefit out of it. खाना तो हो गया अभी क्या करना है? We have to sleep. Wait. Most of us do this mistake. Immediately after eating, it is not advisable to go to bed. Instead, just go out for a walk for 10 to 15 minutes. If that is not possible, sit down in Vajrasana. Vajrasana increases the blood flow in your stomach, which helps digestion. जब आप बैठते हो Vajrasana में, in that time you can surf your mobile, you can talk to your family members, you can do some other things also. It is advisable that 2 hours we need to give a gap between our dinner and our good night sleep. Reason? It lets your body finish the digestion process, which helps you fall asleep more easily. Now when you sleep, always remember to sleep on the left side. Sleeping on the left side will help your right nostril work in a better way. So what you have learned in this video? Number 1. Chew a small piece of ginger mixed with rock salt before you start dinner. Number 2. After that, do right nostril breathing at least 9 times. Eat your dinner mindfully. No distractions, please. After dinner, take a walk or sit for Vajrasana for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, keep a gap of 2 hours between dinner and sleep. Do you follow any of these habits? If yes, I would like to know from you. Namaskaram.